just flying a drone.
What?
Oh, I just like flying drones.
Yeah, not outside the police station.
So who are you?
I'm a police officer.
Oh, I'm really sorry.
Okay.
I'm really, really sorry about that. I should have known better.
No. Sorry.
So what's your name?
My name's Beth.
Okay. So should I not be doing that?
I don't think it's a great idea. Would you want it outside your house?
I wouldn't mind.
Yeah.
It's a little thing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it up, all right?
Okay. Well, I think someone's gonna come.
Alright guys, today we are diving straight into a confrontation that escalates almost instantly.
So who are
What
you?
starts as a simple drone flight
I'm
suddenly
really
turns
sorry.
tense the moment plainclothes
I'm really, really
officers
sorry about that. I should have known better.
questioning the pilot without
So
properly
what's your
explaining any
name?
law or restriction.
My name's Beth.
Instead of a calm
Okay.
conversation,
So should I not be
the
doing that?
situation quickly shifts
I don't think it's a great idea. Would you want it outside your house?
I wouldn't
The
mind.
most interesting
It's a
part
little
is how
thing.
confusion immediately replaces
I'm gonna take it up, all right?
setting the tone for the entire encounter.
Because under the police station. So why are you
Oh,
here?
I'm really sorry.
You know that it's a police station. So why are you doing this in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you shouldn't be.
Oh, why not? So who are you guys? Like you're all in plain clothes.
Hang on. Right.
What do you mean? Hang on. Can you
just
no,
wait.
get your hand off me.
Can
What
we call
are
a
you doing?
unit, please?
No, hold on. What are you doing? What's going on here? Well, let me land it then.
What is it? Yeah, bring it down now. No, I don't. Because you're looking into the backyard of the police station.
What, is that not allowed?
No, it's
Why
not
not?
allowed.
Why is it not allowed? Can we all slow down a sec? What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
I'm PC Emily O'Connor.
Emily O'Connor. You know you just put hands on me. You shouldn't really do that without identifying yourself. You could be a civilian.
Yeah.
I just identified myself that I'm police.
Yeah, but you just
Someone
right.
call the
So are the girls.
Can you get some uniform police here, please?
Yeah, we don't need any uniform police. No, I'm leaving, by the way. I'm leaving. No, I'm leaving. I'm not.
No,
what do you
you're not
mean
leaving
What,
now.
am I detained? What's going
Well,
on
you're
then?
not leaving
No,
now.
I'm leaving. Are you detaining me? Mind up, sorry.
Well, you just run this into me.
We've only said that you shouldn't be having drones on around the police station.
No, but it's been filming the back of the police station.
No, I'm leaving. I'm leaving.
No,
I'm
you're
leaving.
not.
What are you guys? Like you're all in plain
Because
clothes.
this is where the
Right.
entire
What do you mean? Hang on.
encounter
Can you
No,
no,
just
no,
wait.
get your hand off me.
Can
What
we
are you
call a
doing?
unit, please?
repeatedly
No, hold on, what are you
asks
doing?
one simple question.
What's
Am I
going on
being
here?
detained?
Well, let me land it then.
What is it? Yeah, bring it down now.
No, I don't.
Because you're looking into the backyard of the police station.
What, is that
Instead
not
of
allowed?
explaining law,
Why not?
they
Why is
rely
it not
on
allowed? Can we all
vague
slow down a
commands
sec?
and
What's going on? Can you
physical
identify
presence to
yourself?
control the
I'm PC
situation.
Emily O'Connor.
You can actually feel the frustration
Emily
building
O'Connor.
as
You know you
basic
just put hands on me. You shouldn't really do that without identifying yourself.
Exposing
You could be a
how shaky
civilian.
the officer's
Yeah.
I just
position
identified
really is in
myself
this
that I'm
moment.
police.
Yeah, but what's going on?
Is anyone calling you?
So what am I detained under? Otherwise I'm
No, 'cause we
leaving.
need to know what footage you've got.
No,
on
you
your
don't need to
phone
look. You
and
don't need to look at
Yeah,
anything.
because
No,
you're
you
filming
don't.
the police station.
And I can film it. No, sorry, I'm leaving. I'm leaving. Get your hand off me. Don't touch me. Get your hand off me. Are you detaining me under a power? What's going on?
That's mine.
Don't take. Why are you taking photos of me?
Is anyone-
Am I detained or not?
I didn't call.
We need to get
You
someone.
just assaulted me numerous times without even detaining me. So what's going on? You did. You just tried to grab me.
Because you're trying to run away. We've asked you to.
So I'm not trying to run away. I've asked you a question. Am I detained or not? You're saying, oh, you can't leave. You're surrounding me. You're trying to stop me.
Well, you were outside police station.
I can
Which
be
you
outside the
can't.
police
No, you
station.
can't.
Yes, of course I can.
Unless you have a police business, which is at the front and not at
I
the
don't have a
back.
police business. I don't need
Well,
to
so
have.
why are you here?
Because I'm
with
allowed
the
to fly it.
drone?
I'm allowed to fly it.
No, you
Of
don't.
course I'm allowed to fly it.
No,
I am allowed to
you're
fly
not.
it.
Go to the park and fly it, but
No, I
not
want to
over
fly
the
it here.
police station.
You don't own the airspace, do you?
Neither are you. I said go to the park, not
What do you
over the
mean?
Bring it down now.
No, I don't.
Because you're
I'm
looking into the
Section takes
backyard of the police
confrontation
station.
to
What, is that
another
not
level,
allowed?
as officers
No, it's
quickly
not
reclaim the drone.
Why is it not allowed? Can we all slow down a sec? What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
I'm PC Emily O'Connor.
Emily O'Connor. You know you just put hands on me. You shouldn't really do that without identifying yourself. You could be a civilian.
Yeah.
I just identified myself that I'm police.
Yeah,
What
but
makes
you
us
just
someone
around.
call the
So are the girls.
Can you get some uniform police here, please?
Yeah, we don't need any uniform
side
police.
is
No, I'm
relying
leaving,
on
by the way.
authority,
I'm leaving.
while
No, I'm
the other
leaving.
is
I'm not.
relying
No,
on
you're not
I'm-
leaving
What
now.
am I detained? What's going
Well,
on
you're
then?
not leaving
No, I'm
now.
leaving. Are you?
And stop filming me.
You just took a photo of me. You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about, like. Why are you all bugging out like this? Just relax.
No, I'm not gonna relax.
Well, you
because
just tried to. You lot have just
you
put
had
hands
your
on me numerous
drone
times.
Over the police
I can't have it
station.
over the
No,
police
you
station.
can't.
Who are you? Can you identify yourself?
I already did.
No, you
multiple
didn't.
Times.
No,
I
you
already
didn't.
did
Who are you?
multiple times.
Who are you?
Can we have a uniform officer in here, please?
No, you lot are moving mad. I'm leaving. You still haven't told me what I'm detaining me. You put hands on me numerous times. I'm not very happy with. I'm not very happy. I'm not. Well, of course I can run away. You haven't. You haven't.
So agitated.
I'm getting agitated because you lot have surrounded me.
Ask you a question. Why are you?
No. I don't feel comfortable right now. I feel very scared. I feel very scared. You lot surrounded me.
You're scared. You're pathetic.
Why am I pathetic? You lot have grabbed me, put hands on me.
You've tried to run away when we've asked.
What do you mean try to? I can run. It's a free country. If I want to run, I can run. All right, see ya. If I want to run, I can run. Guess what? I can walk where I want. How about that?
That's fine. We've got your photo anyway.
You got my photo. Now what? No, I need to make a complaint certainly about you and about this lady putting hands on me and that.
Of course you do.
What do you mean? Of course I do. Just put hands on me.
Well, you would.
Oh, what? Because I flew a drone. What?
Yeah,
it's illegal.
over the
It's a legal
police-
activity.
yeah,
It's
it
a legal
is.
activity. I'm going to do it again.
Do you have a license to
Yes.
fly this?
Yes, I do.
You?
I have an operator ID. You don't need a license to fly a drone that's under 250 grams. It's 250 grams, so I can fly it wherever I like.
Well, we need a police officer. We don't need a PCSO in there.
That's very
Because
rude,
can't
actually.
do really nothing.
No, but we've asked him to call. Asked her to call it in.
So there's nothing like funny going on here.
But what
I
was
need
the
to.
reason?
Can you write me down your collar number, please, so I can make a complaint?
What was the reasoning behind flying it over?
Because I want to do it.
But why?
It's my freedom to do it. I'd like to
What
do
do you
it.
want to
It's
look
not.
at? Do you not know that that's like a terrorism threat and things like that?
No, I don't think I can see all that on Google Earth as well. Yeah. So it doesn't really make any sense. So I'm going to get the drone back up now. I don't want to be interfered with again. If we can just leave it at that, that would be great.
No, you can't because it's the police station. So I don't want you to fly over the police station.
No, I'm going to get it back up. Right now, I'll put it away because I don't know what you lot are going to do.
You can go to the park with that.
I don't want to do it in the park. I want to have a look inside there. Yeah, I want to look in there, yeah.
Okay then, so we can get a uniform unit, you can get nicked for it.
You get nicked for what? What's the crime?
Yeah, for under section under.
Buckle up, guys, because
Get your hand
this is
off
where
me.
the conversation
Are you detaining me under a power? What's going on?
The moment terrorism is mentioned,
Don't take. Why are you taking
entire
photos of me?
tone changes instantly.
Am I detained or
One
not?
officer threatens
We need to
action
get
under
someone
You just
to
assaulted me
down.
numerous times without even detaining me. So what's
Cannot
going on?
even explain which
So
section
you did. You just
supposedly
tried to grab me.
applies.
Because you're trying to
That
run away. We've asked you
hesitation
to
I'm not
says
trying to run away. I've
everything.
asked you a question. Am I
Throwing
detained or
around
not?
serious
You're
legal
saying, oh, you
powers
can't leave.
without
You're surrounding me. You're trying to
clarity
stop me.
creates confusion instead of
Well,
authority.
you were outside police
And the
station.
I can be outside the police
No, you
station.
can't.
Yes, of course I
Unless
can.
you have a police business,
This
which is at the
part
front and not
perfectly
I don't have a
outside.
police business. I don't need to
Well,
have.
so why are you
Because
here?
I'm allowed to fly it.
Justification.
I'm allowed to fly. So which section of the Terrorism Act? Is it section 43? See the difference between me and you. I know what I'm talking about. You
Oh,
don't.
do you now?
Of course I know
So
what I'm talking
why-
about. Would
why
I
are
come
you
here and
here?
film if I didn't know what I was talking about? Would I come and do this if I didn't know what I was talking about? You're talking about things that you don't know nothing about. You're looking a bit silly in the process. I suggest you just leave me to do what I need to do, and we just leave it at that. Forget this happened. But I'm still definitely going to make a complaint about you because you just tried to touch me and grab me. If I didn't jerk away, there's no telling what might have happened. So
Yeah, clearly.
would you two mind identifying yourselves?
My shoulder number's right there.
This is not professional though, is it? Could you say your name?
No, we don't say.
My name,
You don't have to identify.
My name's on here.
Yeah,
And
it's
my
just
shoulder
very
number's there.
unprofessional. Is the whole station like this? Very poor. Have you got a designation card?
That's what these are for.
That's all you need. That's all you need.
That's what you don't need a designation card that lists what police powers you have.
Alright guys, now the spotlight shifts toward accountability and
Why are
professionalism.
you all bugging
The
out like
auditor
this? Just
starts
relax.
requesting identification
No, I'm not
and
gonna relax.
designation
You just
cards.
tried to. You
But
lot-
instead of transparent cooperation,
Over the
more
police
resistance
over the police
appears.
station. Who
What
are you?
stands
Can you
out
identify
most here
yourself?
is how
I already
simple
did. No, you
requests
didn't.
suddenly
No, you
become
didn't. Who
uncomfortable
are
for the
you?
officers
Who are you?
involved. The longer the questions continue, the more
have
uncertain
a
the
uniform
interaction
officer
begins
here,
to look.
please?
It's no longer just
You
about a
lot are
drone
moving mad.
anymore. Now it's about whether proper procedure and lawful
I'm leaving.
conduct are actually
You
being
still haven't
followed
told me
at
what I'm
all.
detaining them.
Who is flying the drone?
She was. So we're not showing designation cards, no?
I don't have to show my designation.
You don't.
cards.
You're
No,
sure about that?
Card is what I have on my car with me.
So you don't have a card there
I have
that
a
shows your.
designation card.
So may I see it
You already
so I can
have
see?
the shoulder number.
I'm not. I'm speaking to her. I'm not speaking to you.
Can I understand why you're
Mate.
flying it? I'm a police sergeant. Can I understand why you're flying the drone? Yeah.
So who are you?
I've just identified who I am. I said
Okay.
I'm a sergeant.
Yeah, because I wanted to do it.
You wanted to fly a drone into our
Yeah.
premises.
Yeah.
Why? I just want to
Because I can do it. I wanted to have a look in there.
should look into our
Yeah.
into the police
Yeah.
station. Have you got any reason for that?
No reason, just recreation. It's a hobby.
Near police buildings.
In a police building?
Yeah. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, it's you.
Am I free to go, yeah?
It's you that is flying the
So you're a sergeant, can you take my complaint? So a few of your colleagues and that, they put hands on me and stuff like that
Because obviously when you
yeah, no, you can't just put hands on me though, can you? Look, you're in plain clothes, I don't even know you're police.
But,
do you know what I mean? I have a right to defend myself. What would happen if I put hands on you?
I bet she have identified herself.
Regardless, they didn't tell me I was detained. You can't just come and start putting hands on me without telling me I'm detained. So I'm not detained right now, I can go, yeah?
No, if you stand over
No, I don't need to stand nowhere.
Mate, listen.
Buckle up, guys, because a sergeant finally arrives. And you would expect the situation to calm down from here.
Can you identify
But
yourself?
instead of resolving the tension, the encounter only grows more chaotic. The auditor keeps demanding lawful explanations, while the officers continue struggling to clearly justify their actions.
You lot are moving mad.
What makes this part fascinating is how confidence slowly starts shifting away from the officers and toward the individual asking the questions. The pressure is now fully on the police to explain themselves properly.
So come on, someone needs to do something now, innit?
The girls are trying to call.
There's no if you put hands on me, I'm gonna push you out the way.
I haven't put my hands.
If you try and stop me from leaving, I'm gonna push you out the way. If you put hands on me, I'm gonna push you out the way as well. I'm just telling you preemptively. If anyone puts hands on me, you're gonna get put off me. Do you understand?
Right. I do not.
Yeah?
I do not want to escalate.
All right, good. So don't stand in my way. No. If you put hands on me, hold on. So what's going on? No. If you put hands on me, get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me. Get your hand off me.
On your radio, can you use it?
Look at all this.
Officer on the radio.
Don't put hands on me.
Can I
don't put hands on me. You don't have to understand nothing.
He was flying a drone over.
Right. You cannot just fly a drone. I want to understand. Listen. Okay, I'm detaining you. Can I understand? Why are you?
You don't need to understand anything. What are you expecting to find? You've just searched me under section 1 of PACE. What are you expecting to find?
Where's the drone that you have?
This is none of your business.
So, because this is the police premises, can I have your radio? One of you, can I have your radio? When who spoke to him before?
Am I detained or not? Are you not meant to be searching me right now?
Who
Are you not
detained?
meant to be searching me right now?
Can I find out?
You just said section 1 of PACE.
Padded Mel with a drone at the Green Police Station, who's now kicking off, caused a bit of a problem.
I haven't kicked off, done nothing, man. Just let me go, man. What the fuck is this? Let me go.
Right, can I put 1 second, please? Can you relax, please?
I'm relaxed.
Please relax.
You've got no right to be stopping me search me right now.
Because you cannot be.
So are you trying to find prohibited items? Are you trying to find drugs?
mate.
Are you trying to find weapons? I don't understand. Well, what are you trying to find? You're talking about section 1 of PACE, but I don't know what you're trying to find. At least let me know what are the grounds for the search and what you're expected to find. You just put grabbing me up and that, not letting me go, and now telling me section 1 of PACE. What's going on? Can you identify yourself?
You want me to?
Because you were putting hands on that on me as well.
I didn't touch you.
Well, you were.
What do you expect? You are at the back of the police station flying a drone. So what do you expect is going to happen? Can you please explain it to me? What do you expect is going to happen? That the police officers coming to duty will just walk past you and they will let you fly your drone over the police station? Is it that what you expect? But is it that what you expect? Nothing's going to happen. Yeah.
Well, I don't expect this.
So you're very much mistaken.
I certainly don't expect this.
So you're very much mistaken.
I certainly don't expect this.
Well, you caused it. You caused it.
Well, I
so
asked you to put hands on me and surround
you
me
are
and,
in a position where you are at the moment.
Section 1 of PACE. I did that, did I?
Yes,
you're the one that launched with all this paranoia, all this crazy shit.
Well, yeah, because you were flying
you could have
from
just waited
over
for
the
some
police
comms.
station.
You could have just waited for some comms, but instead you just wanted to launch.
They stopped and said, why are you flying a drone? And
You know what? I don't think you're in the right job. Like, you're just too emotional, too crazy. Like, and now you've put him in a sticky situation. Do you know what I mean?
What sticky situation, mate?
Because what have you just messed up, bro? You just put hands on me, section 1 of PACE. All now, so what are the grounds for the search? So I'm detained now, yeah? I'm detained under section 1 of PACE.
Yeah.
But no one's speaking to you.
I need to find out what's going on, please. Just
so you can't detain me to find out what's going on, Sergeant?
Listen, if you're flying a drone, what they have told me, if you have flown a drone into this premise.
But how does that suggest that I got weapons or drugs or stolen goods on me?
I want to know what
So why have you used section 1 power?
I need to.
Answer the question. Answer the question, please. I have a right to know why you've used the section 1 power.
It's his powers. He can use the powers he wants. They're not your powers, aren't they?
Well, all right. I have a right to know why he's using the power.
Well, he gave you.
He didn't give me anything.
He gave you his
You just put him in a situation where he felt like he had to detain me. He couldn't think on the spot, so he's come up with section 1 of PACE. What the hell is going on here? Why have none of you lot in uniform as well? Could you please stop interjecting? No, I understand, but you're familiar with Section 105. You've used Section 105. Is it a search power or is it a stop power?
If he feels as if he needs to use Section 105,
it's not really answering the question, is it? It's not about feelings, is it? It's not about I feel like I want to use Section 105.
I don't need to answer it.
Then why are you answering?
If he feels he needs to use his Section 105 power, he can use his Section 105.
It's not good. It's not good, Patel, man.
Okay,
like, you should know better than that, bro. Come on. You know it's a search power. We all know it's a search power.
I know it's a search
So all right. So what's this right now?
Okay.
What's going on right now?
It's detained by him. I can't justify his actions.
No, you don't have any sort of idea, any sort of opinion.
That's up to him.
I'm not asking you to justify anything. I'm just asking you. We can all agree that it's a search power.
One, but I have to stop you now under Section 42 of the Terrorism Act.
So am I still detained under Section 1?
No, you're not detained under Section 1.
Okay, so I'm free to go now, yeah?
No, you're not free. But I can tell you now,
okay,
you've been detained under Section 43 of...
Alright guys, this is easily one of the most intense sections of the entire encounter. The officers begin talking about Section 1 search powers, but the conversation quickly turns messy as they fail to clearly explain what grounds actually exist for the detention. The auditor keeps pressing for specifics, and every unanswered question increases the tension. You can practically see the confusion spreading among the officers as legal powers are mentioned without proper justification, making the entire stop look increasingly questionable.
Then if we are happy, then I can give it back to you. But at the moment, you've been detained on that section, okay?
And if I don't give it to you?
I won't have, you know what is going to happen.
What's going to happen?
Listen, mate, listen. All I want, I just want us to do this amicably.
Well, we haven't really dealt with it very amicably. Like, you've tried to, but why have you been dragged into this situation? Should have just kept it moving.
Sergeant. If anything is happening in my station...
But nothing's happening in your station.
Obviously, but...
So do you think I'm a terrorist? Do you suspect I'm a terrorist right now? What do you? What does that mean? Do you suspect I'm a terrorist? You don't know.
If you're flying
there needs to be some objective basis. No, I don't want to be handcuffed. I don't want to be handcuffed.
No,
get your hand off me. All right, under duress. Get your hand off me. Under duress. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you.
Please.
Because if not, you're going to seize it from me, yeah? So this is the one that was plugged into the controller.
Can I see the device you're using, please?
This is a drone.
This is a drone. Can I... Listen, mate.
Go on, look.
Thank you. Yeah, we have to review everything. Has anybody got a bag here?
What do you want? Evidence?
Yeah, evidence bag, please.
Why do you want evidence bag? You're going to seize it?
Yes.
You're seizing it all, yeah?
Yes. Yeah.
Why? You just said you want us to review the footage?
Yeah,
Buckle up, guys, because this final section becomes the breaking point of the entire encounter. After all the confusion surrounding Section 1 powers, the officers suddenly pivot to the Terrorism Act and begin seizing devices for review. The seriousness of the situation escalates dramatically, yet the core issue remains the same. Clear lawful justification never seems fully established. By the end, this encounter turns into a powerful reminder of how important it is to understand your rights and question authority respectfully when necessary. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.